ABC Zoo Animals by Sierra Davis. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for chimpanzee. D is for donkey. E is for elephant. F is for flamingo. G is for giraffe. H is for hippopotamus. I is for iguana. J is for jaguar. K is for kangaroo. L is for lion. M is for meerkat. N is for nanny goat. O is for ostrich. P is for penguin. Q is for queen snake. R is for rhinoceros. S is for skunk. T is for turtle. U is for Ulysses butterfly. V is for vampire bat. W is for wolf. X is for xenopus. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra.